Kiwi seed oil. In-depth guide and review. Welcome my friends to my channel. Welcome to the world of natural flavors of oils, where we explore together the benefits, characteristics and advantages of different types of oils. We will provide you with valuable and useful information about natural oils, essential oils, and edible oils and how they can be used to improve our health and beauty. Today we will talk about this natural oil. Kiwi in our minds tends to be the bright green and sour fruit that always provides a taste of summer. However, kiwi seed oil is one more natural miracle that lies hidden in its seeds. This healing organic oil has miraculous benefits which benefit for skin care, hair conditioning and as a support to well-being. I feel like a so much healthier individual from the inside out thanks to this oil. Every drop of kiwi seed oil feels I am one with nature, a little something from Mother Earth that is more precious than any monetary value we can put on it. Something once considered a beauty product turned into my nutritional and wellness essential. For healthier skin, hair and so much more. What is kiwi seed oil? Kiwi seeds oil, which is natural, extracted from the tiny seeds of kiwi fruit. This oil is full of omega-3, omega-6 and vitamin E, which makes it a very nourishing powerhouse. It is popular due to its multi-purpose quality, which makes it a perfect addition in skincare, hair care and even wellness routines. What you will find compared to other oils is that kiwi seed oil contains a variety of antioxidants and essential nutrients, making it truly one of a kind. General health benefits. Kiwi seed oil benefits, a nutritional powerhouse. The edible potential of this food-loving elixir, its core health benefits are as follows. Supports heart health. Omega-3 is abundant in kiwi seed oil, which overall helps to lower LDL, bad cholesterol levels, promoting good heart health. Improves digestive health. High in fiber, which helps with digestion and regularly going to the bathroom. Boosts immunity. High in antioxidants, vitamin E in particular. The kiwi seed oil will bolster your immune system and help protect you from infections such as cold. Reduces inflammation. It helps ease joint pain and improve overall mobility by reducing inflammation. It also promotes skin health. Kiwi seed oil antioxidant reaches composition, helps free functions radicals, can from aging to prevent premature effects, great benefits youthful and skin rejuvenate glow. How to use kiwi seed oil. Kiwi seed oil or upper circulation. Applications based on your needs. Skin care. After cleansing, gently massage a few drops of kiwi seed oil directly onto the skin. Rub it gently and feel the deep moisturizing effect. For dry, sensitive skin, it is extremely good. Hair care. Add a few drops of kiwi seed oil prior to the hair wash. Just work the oil into your scalp and down through the ends of your locks, then leave it for a good 30 minutes before you wash it out. It means it helps in providing moisture and shine to the damaged hair, one of the symptoms shown by dried out and damaged hair. General health. For overall good health, you may add a few drops of food-grade oil to salads or other foods and enjoy it for internal benefits. When eating, make sure oil is for edible use. Is kiwi seed oil edible? Kiwi seed oil is actually edible. It really depends on the brand and processing. Certain cold-pressed kiwi seed oils are even edible, making them a great choice for salads and other delicate meals. That said, be certain to check the packaging, as kiwi seed oils processed for non-food use are an entirely different ballgame. Skin and hair benefits. A key element in kiwi seed oil is its fantastic versatility, and can be applied to skin and hair care health as well. Many natural beauty lovers so often turn to things like sweet almond oil due to it being lighter and highly nutritious. Here's why. Skin hydration. Kiwi seed oil also provides deep hydration, hence ideal for dry and sensitive skin. It gets quickly absorbed into the skin and makes it feel soft and smooth without leaving any grease behind. Offers anti-aging benefits. Loaded with vitamin E and antioxidants, this oil aids in fading away fine lines and wrinkles for a rejuvenated and even-toned skin. Enhances skin elasticity. The continual use of kiwi seed oil may have an effect on skin elasticity, leaving it looking firm and strong. Hair care. When it comes to hair, kiwi seed oil can reduce dryness and breakage of the hair shaft by nourishing your scalp, but also your scalp cells, which give off sebum that add a natural shine to each strand of luscious locks. Calms scalp issues. This oil can also be used to alleviate scalp problems like dry flakes or burns, restoring balance and comfort of the skin around. Personal experience. Kiwi seed oil. The first time I put this on my skin, it felt utterly transformative. The oil was absorbed into my skin quickly, which is something seeing as I have really dry, flaky skin, and left behind a feeling so soft that I had never experienced with any other product. Real results. A few weeks in and my eyes, mouth lines were better than they had been in years. My skin looked brighter, smoother, and more hydrated. Hair. Putting the oil on my hair before washing made it feel a lot more moisturized. My hair was smoother, softer, and frizz-less after only one use. Edible rated. Last but not least, I took a couple of drops of an edible kiwi seed oil and put them in my salads. You can't taste it at all because the flavor is mellow and mild, but as I spooned this in, not blowing my own horn or anything here, I felt great knowing that another layer of nutrition was being added to my meal. The health of my skin. The appearance and texture of my skin seems to have changed, thanks to kiwi seed oil, which is great since I am transitioning with only one night away from Simba. It is like my body giving me gratitude for picking up the pure and powerful herbal product. Positive insights. Kiwi seed oil can be used both externally and internally. It offers intense hydration while staying non-greasy. Also, the oil is super light, so even sensitive skin folk can use it too. The antioxidants juice can bring you the best result if it comes to anti-aging. When rendered in its food-grade form, it can also boost general health. Studies on kiwi seed oil. Cardio benefits. A study measuring the effect of omega-3 fatty acid found in kiwi seed oil suggests improvements such as lowering LDL cholesterol, and it helps for better heart. Improve skin elasticity. The antioxidants in kiwi seed oil are proposed to be great at improving skin elasticity, thus making the skin's appearance smoother and firmer. A study on antioxidant properties. A separate study found that the antioxidants in kiwi seed oil act as a shield against environmental stressors, such as UV radiation and pollution. Hair strengthening. A conducted clinical trial found when using kiwi seed oil analyzed after 10 weeks can decrease hair breakage and improve the quality of unhealthy damaged hair to a stronger, healthier scalp. It acts as an anti-inflammatory. The omega-3 content present in kiwi seed oils helps to reduce inflammation of joints, thus increasing mobility for people who have arthritis. Immune system. A study published confirms what researchers knew has shown that there were benefits of vitamin E from kiwi seed oil in terms of improving immune system and protecting illnesses. Pros and cons. Pros. High levels of omega-3 and 6 fats. Great source of antioxidants, especially vitamin E. Useful for both skin and hair care. Key beauty and wellness uses. Would be okay to eat if labeled edible and normal human use of a food or color additive. More expensive than other oils. Kiwi seed oil is not a food, and it does contain dangerous components. Reader tips. If you are searching for an all-natural product that can be included in your beauty and wellness regimens, then kiwi seed oil is a great pick. Alongside your normal skincare routine, use kiwi seed oil every day to help hydrate and plump up the look of aging skin. Hair. Use it as a pre-shampoo oil to add shine and eliminate frizz. To test for allergic reactions before applying kiwi seed oil on the face or body, you must always use a patch. For the highest quality and most effective of kiwi seed oils, seek out organic, cold-pressed ones. Is it going into something you'll be eating? If so, will the oil need to food safe? Keeping kiwi seed oil in a cool, dark place is essential to preserving its quality. Add it to your DIY beauty recipes for an extra level of nourish. Kiwi seed oil. The most dangerous problem for those with dry, damaged hair is a lack of moisture to your scalp, and no watery or other fluids on your head can damage hair follicles with time. Try eating it in salads or light dishes to see all the positive effects that its consumption brings. Recipe ingredients list. Ingredient. Quantity. Kiwi seed oil. 2 tablespoons. Coconut oil. 1 tablespoon. Jojoba oil. 1 teaspoon. Lavender essential oil. 3 drops. Conclusion. I have been only using this kiwi seed oil, and I can say with confidence that it deserves to be a part of your everyday beauty health habit. If you want to enhance the health of your hair, skin, or overall for that matter, kiwi seed oil has some miraculous benefits up its sleeve which come naturally. But given its versatility, nutrient-rich nature, and how light it feels to wear depending on your skin type. Frequently asked questions. 1. Is kiwi seed oil edible? True, but as long as the oil is safe to consume. The kiwi seed massageau is manufactured mechanically as a cold-pressed squeezy ice, and it can be added to mixed, serving of salads or the nutrition. To ensure a proper process, always read the label on the product and breathe in safely without risking your life. 2. Kiwi seed oil health benefits. Since kiwi seed oil contains fatty acids omega-3, among others omega-6 and vitamin E are highly praised in the heart diseases, supporting immunity function for reducing inflammation as well promoting healthy skin/hair. 3. So, how exactly do I use kiwi seed oil for hair care? Kiwi seed oil serves as a natural and perfect treatment for dry or damaged hair. Apply the oil to your scalp and hair, massage it in well for 30 minutes or so. Then wash off with Neno Natural Oil Shampoo for a deeply hydrated look. 4. Is kiwi seed oil bad for your skin? Product overview: kiwi seed oil is suitable for all skin types, including sensitive, and will not clog your pores. That said, you should always do a patch test first on the inside of your arm or some other relatively small spot to check for an allergic reaction before applying this all over. 5. Is kiwi seed oil good for consumption? Yes, if the oil is food safe, while you can add it to salads or smoothies for extra nutritional value. Always ensure that the spirulina has been processed specifically for human consumption by checking out its label. 6. Kiwi seed oil. What research proves the benefits? Kiwi seed oil has been the subject of many studies that focus on its potential benefits to heart health, antioxidant abilities as well as skin elasticity and hair strength. 7. Where do I keep my kiwi seed oil? Kiwi seed oil should be stored in a cool, dark location. Remember to always seal the bottle properly with airtight cap after using it. 8. Can children use kiwi seed oil? Kiwi seed oil is safe to use on most children, especially when they have sensitive or dry skin. However, it is still prudent to consult a healthcare professional before using on children, and especially if there are any allergy worries. 9. How can kiwi seed oil contribute to treat scalp problems? Indeed, such a constituent lessens the scalp exuding irritant with dandruff, so indeed kiwi motive oil may be successful in being used as an irritated skin antifungal ice dandruff remedy containing moisturizing and calming properties. 10. What are the top kiwi seed oil brands? There are quite a few brands available that provide high-quality kiwi seed oil. If you want the oil for beauty, then try and source a cold-pressed organic argan oil so that it is super nutrient-dense to get you going. Quick summary, continued. Kiwi seed oil is a nutrient-rich, versatile oil that has vast impacts on health, especially to the skin and hair. Whereas, being packed with essential fatty acids, antioxidants and vitamin E means it is an excellent oil for those that desire hydration to the skin or want something more nourishing. In addition, the oil has anti-aging effects that help to reduce wrinkles and fine lines around your face, as well makes a great natural remedy for dryness or damage of hair. Additionally, if using natural oils as part of a health regimen is your jam and you happen to be all over kiwi seed oil for food-grade consumption, Kiwi selections say it might lead in reducing chances of heart disease, enhancing digestion, which then boosts the immune system. No matter how you are using it for skin, hair or health, this oil delivers you almost same results. Kiwi seed oil can help you improve your skin, and it serves as a natural product to support overall well-being. After using them regularly, you will experience noticeable differences in the texture of your skin, the strength of your hair growth and overall well-being. This in-depth review goes over everything related to kiwi seed oil, its health benefits, beauty uses as well as subjective experiences and research inspiring the belief of it being worth trying. It helps them understand the power of this oil and promotes a more positive, educated and bold engagement with it. Thus, we have seen how this type of oil is not just a nutritional ingredient, but a natural treasure full of health and beauty benefits. Whether you use it in your food, to care for your skin, or even to boost your health, this liquid gold deserves to be a part of your daily life. If you liked the video, don't forget to support us by liking and subscribing to the channel until you receive everything new. And tell us in the comments how to use olive oil in your life. See you in the next video. Stay healthy and well. Thank you.